Welcome to Tampere, Finland, a city known for its stunning landscapes, high quality of life, and innovative education system. At Tampere Vocational College Tredu, we offer you the chance to be part of an education system recognized globally for its excellence and dedication. Finland's vocational education is tailored to meet the needs of our rapidly growing industries and is backed by highly qualified, passionate teachers.
I decided to enroll at Tredu to get a formal training in culinary arts and at the same time learn about Finnish cuisine and culture. I think my Tredu education will provide me with a baseline knowledge and familiarity of culinary techniques. This will essentially help me get my foot in the door when I apply for jobs in the future.
Tampere, located in the heart of the Pirkanmaa region, offers not just an education, but a gateway to a prosperous future. Our main goal is to bridge the employment gap in various critical fields by welcoming non-EU students who are eager to build their lives and careers here. Finland consistently ranks as one of the happiest countries in the world. It's a safe, welcoming society that offers a high standard of living, making it an ideal place for you to study, work, and live. Tredu's commission-based studies are designed for international students who finance their studies and living costs. On completion, you'll earn a highly respected European vocational qualification, unlocking numerous employment opportunities both in Finland and globally.
My name is Saurabatikari. I'm from Nepal. I have big goals because I already mentioned in my class too, because I have want to set up one business, like a cleaning business is my a dream in Finland. I think the teachers are so helpful and they behave as a parents to me, and I feel Tredu as a home.
At Tredu, we believe in lifelong learning and personal growth. Our programs are designed to prepare you for the future, equipping you with the skills needed to thrive in today's competitive job market. Choose Tredu, choose Tampere, choose Finland, and take the first step towards a bright and successful future. Tredu provides customized training for groups from countries outside the European Union, with the help of reliable operators and partners. The goal is to train workers in fields where there is a shortage of skilled labour. Application for these training programs is possible only through Tredu's chosen global partners and agents. Participants cover the cost of the training. We assess students' abilities, motivation, initial skills, and English language proficiency through entrance exams and interviews. These interviews also help applicants clarify their goals. We support students in their integration, and the training includes learning Finnish.